Hey Penticton, I'm Amanda here with a rec update. The Penticton Community Centre is currently closed, but we are excited to announce that after careful planning and organizing, we'll be ready to welcome you back in the coming weeks with some changes to keep you and our staff safe. The Community Centre normally is a very busy place, and we could see up to 300,000 visitors each year enjoying a variety of programs and amenities. We are actively making changes to ensure that we are providing a safe environment for patrons and staff, such as reducing facility capacity and enhancing our cleaning practices. We are continuously reevaluating and modifying operations to have more options become available over time. So, what can you expect when visiting the community centre upon reopening? To start, our hours of operation will be 8 hours a day, Monday to Friday, and visitors will be required to book a spot for either the fitness room or pool through our online booking system. All drop-in sports, gymboree, and child mining will be unavailable at this time. Fitness room patrons can register for 1 hour and 50-minute time slot and can make use of all the exercise equipment with cleaning protocols in place. Personal training and access to the change rooms will not be permitted at this time. If you are wanting to enjoy our pool, the main pool and leisure pool will be available for use by 1 hour reservation. The hot tub, sauna, and steam room will remain closed at this time. We encourage patrons to come dressed and ready to swim, but the change rooms will be available for a pre-swim cleansing shower and access to the pool deck. Modifications to the return to activity process are ongoing, so please visit our Return to Recreation webpage at penticton.ca/restartrec for updates, reservations, and to review other operational information as they become available. Have fun, stay safe, and keep moving Penticton.